Achieve spotless wheels and tires with Optimum Power Wheel and Tire Cleaner, the essential cleaning solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This acid-free formula is safe on all wheel types, including sensitive aluminum wheels, so you can clean with confidence. Formulated with a proprietary blend of polymers, Power Wheel Cleaner encapsulates dirt as well as grime, lifting it away from the surface to prevent marring and scratches as you clean. Its fast foaming action effortlessly breaks down brake dust, oil, dirt, and light corrosion, leaving behind a flawless, spot-free finish. Using it, it's easy. Just spray the product generously onto the wheels and tires. Let it sit for a minute as it breaks down the tough contaminants. Agitate the wheels lightly with an Optimum wheel brush. For tires, use a brush or a drill attachment for a deeper clean. Rinse thoroughly and dry the wheels with a microfiber towel to prevent water spots. Allow the tires to dry completely before applying Optimum tire dressing or Optimum Tire Shine for the perfect finish. Optimum Power Wheel and Tire Cleaner isn't just for cleaning, it's the ideal prep step before applying a dressing, ensuring your wheels and tires look their absolute best. So transform your wheel and tire care routine with Optimum Power Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Clean, protect, shine. Wash smarter, shine brighter.